Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. AQLI Air Quality Life Index 2025 reveals all of India's breathes unsafe breathes unsafe air. Delhi residents could gain 8.2 years in life expectancy. Comes under GS3 Environment. AQLI Report 2025 experiences air quality exceeding WHO safe limits PM 2.5 5 gram per meter cube. Delhi residents could gain. China has shown a consistent decrease in pollution over last decade. Global PM 2.5 concentration in 2025 was 1.5% higher than 2022 and almost 5 times over the WHO limit. Understanding the air quality life index. It is developed by Energy Policy Institute at University of Chicago. The index translates air pollution concentrations, especially particulate matter PM 2.5, translates pollution data, converts air quality measurements into understandable life expectancy impacts. Global application provides standardized measurements that can be compared across regions and countries. Purpose to show how much longer people could live with air pollution. Calculation uses epidemiological studies. Focus fine particulate matter 2.5, the most deadly from air pollution. Global coverage provides data at global, national, and regional level. India's situation, as per latest reports, India is among the countries with the highest life expectancy loss due to PM 2.5. On average, Indians lose 5 to 6 years of life expectancy in current pollution levels persist. Understanding PM 2.5. It's a particular matter with a diameter less than 2.5 micrometers. It is one of the most harmful air pollutant because it is tiny size and the ability to penetrate deep into lungs and the bloodstream. Invisible to naked eye. Composed of sulfates, nitrates, black carbon, ammonia dust, carbon compounds, heavy metals. Monitoring and assessment. Expand air quality monitoring network across all cities and rural areas. Evaluation and improvement. Regularly assess programs, progress and refine strategies. Technology adoption, community engagement. Addressing PM 2.5 pollution in India, further steps are needed. Policy enhancement, public awareness, long-term strategies are needed. Health insurance schemes like PMJAY are insufficient for achieving universal health coverage due to structural issues. Comes under GS2 governance, coverage goals. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and state health insurance programs aims provide health coverage up to 5 lakh per household annually. Utilizing patterns, a study found PMJ increased private hospital utilization without significantly impacting overall hospitalization rate. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. It's the world's largest government-funded health insurance scheme launched in September 2018. Provide financial protection for poor vulnerable families. Beneficiaries, no cap on family size, age, and gender. Priority to women and children. Coverage 10.74 crore families, approximately 50 crore people. Coverage scope. UK's carbon border adjustment mechanism threatens Indian export. India needs unified carbon market for global competitiveness and decarbonization. GS3 environment. FTA limitations. The India UK FTA, while beneficial, does not address the impact of UK carbon border adjustment mechanism, pricing disparity, sector impact. Global coordination. A global carbon pricing agreement is essential to prevent fragmented systems that disrupt supply chain and hinder climate goals. UK carbon border management emissions calculation method, carbon pricing mechanism. Key mechanism of carbon pricing are carbon tax. ICMR's Cerebro, a portable brain injury diagnostic tool revolutionizing TBI detection in remote areas, promising faster, cheaper, and radiation free results. Comes under GS3 Science and technology. Cerebro, a portable, non-invasive brain injury diagnostic tool developed by ICMR. The device is designed for use in ambulances, trauma centers, rural clinics, and disaster response. Clinical validation, regulatory approvals, and feasibility studies have been completed, paving the way for global adoption. Road traffic injuries are leading cause. 60% of TBIs followed by falls 20% to 25% and violence 10%. How Cerebos work? Cerebo is an indigenously developed handheld non-invasive medical device. Technology Foundation utilizes near infrared spectroscopy. Diagnostic process provides colored coded results within minute or two. Please practice this mark question. Thank you.